Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this was our last day of Satara road trip and today we are exploring Chalkewadi Windmill Farms. A beautiful land with so many windmills at the top of the mountain. Narrow roads surrounded by lush green grass and twisty road. But wait! ये वो जगह नहीं है जहाँ हम पहली बार आए थे. Let's go back again. So yeah, this was the first day when we went to Chalkewadi Windmill Farm. The place totally covered with fog and dark clouds. हमने सोचा था यहाँ खूबसूरत सनसेट देखने मिलेगा, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. ऑलमोस्ट 2 hours वेट कर रहे थे हम ताकि स्काई क्लियर हो जाए और मैं ड्रोन फ्लाई करके कुछ ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज़ कैप्चर कर सकूं. बट स्काई तो क्लियर हुआ नहीं, तो हमने सोचा ये व्यू एंजॉय कर लेते हैं. और फिर डिसाइड किया दोबारा कल वापस आएंगे. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन नेक्स्ट.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your
So finally this is our another day at the same place, and yes, I am happy Lord. This is the perfect weather for which I was waiting for. So let me capture this beautiful view and save in my memories.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So while exploring the place, we met one farmer who were living at the same village for more than 70 years. He was happy lot as it was his first time to come on camera. Then I showed him the flying camera of mine. He got scared and started running away. But later I showed him how beautiful his village looks from aerial view. This beautiful landscape with so many windmills are going to stay in my memories forever. So this was my journey of Satara, which were incomplete without my 2 best friends. I hope you all enjoyed my episodes of Satara travel series. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more travel videos.